With its clear and functional design, linear is the ideal solution for horizontal product presentation, and its core is a simple aluminium profile available by the meter and individually cut to size. It is precisely embedded into wooden or acrylic glass panels, creating the foundation for flexible presentation surfaces. Along this profile rail, a wide range of system components can be flexibly integrated, from single spectacle holders to shelves, through to logo carriers or mirrors. Installation is particularly simple. The adapter is inserted into the rail and can then be moved seamlessly along the profile. This allows you to redesign your presentation surfaces at any time. Versatile, efficient, and easily adapted to changing collections or promotions. Linear, clear structure, flexible use, and perfect integration into your store. Find out more at concept-s-design.com.